Yeah. Nakuha ka na fina ko, baby. Hey guys, good afternoon. It's so sunny today. So I decided to let Jens take the bike going to his play date instead of me biking. Okay. Okay, now let's go.
There's a lot of colors lost within a haze.
Yellow one.
Don't rely on others.
Baby, we are late. Now the problem when he's biking on his own is that he stops every time, so we will be late again. Today, come, let's go. I know, let's go. Jens, Fina's waiting now. Yeah, it's going. It's going for the ants. Yes. The ants is going home. Oh no, there's no kids, baby. Yeah. Ze zijn weg.
Yeah, you killer.
Waiting to be
Hello.
They're school, baby. They're in school.
making me afraid.
Okay. Yes, we have to run. Otherwise, we're late already. And then I'll just park his bike in the downstairs, and I'll pick him up later with the bike. And the good thing with this low fits, this balance bike, is that it's so light, so I can put it in the back. I can put it in the front of my bike. Yes. We're almost at the daycare, guys. Oh, come on, let's go.
Mom, look me.
Okay, nog meer. Snel, snel, snel. Okay, come. He wants to do another wheelie because the slope is a bit high, so it makes it very nice to go down. Come. He said it's really far. It's good because I'm biking and I'm jogging at the same time. Come, baby.
Hey, Mama, good friend.
Oh. Oh my. Yoo-hoo! Go, 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 go. Hello.
Run, run.
Okay, let's go. Say cheese with mama. Cheese. Walk, walk.
Whoa.
He had to stop again, guys, to pick another flower. A yellow one. You know, those wild yellow flowers that grows on the side of the road. He had to pick one again. So we are at the moment 3 minutes late. Yes, there's a car, yeah? So you have to stay here. We are almost there. Come.
Spin.
Okay, there's a spin. Come on.
And a represent.
Yeah, come. Yoo-hoo! We zijn er bijna.
Bloemen heel stuk.
Ja, oh, de bloem is stuk. Oké. Nee, het is niet stuk.
Bloemen stuk.
No, I don't think so. Het is niet stuk. Is it?
Het is een bloem. Oh.
Hey guys, I just dropped in. He was of course very happy as always. It's quite chilly here in the shadow, but if I go in the sunlight, then it becomes warm. So it's very nice weather. Too bad JP is not off today, otherwise I would be asking him that we go somewhere we can walk and have a picnic or have lunch, but unfortunately he's working, so that won't happen. I'll have to do things alone. I have 2.5, 3 hours to do my stuff, and I'll have to pick up Jens after that. Everybody's out and happy with the sun. Oh my god. So this is always the feeling when it's sunny like this. Hey guys, I'm almost home. Find it a little bit inconvenient when I'm already on site and I try to turn on the drone and then I have to update. I have to do all these things. So I think it's better if I do it at home and maybe practice a little bit so it won't be, you know, too much for me. I always feel so nervous when I am operating the drone. To technology and innovation, drones now are so small. Like my DJI is very small, the DJI Mini. There's not really a lot of women operating drones. I noticed it's mostly men. So the DJI Mini is like a toy for men because it's so small. I will show it again later on. Kitty, where are you going, Kitty? What is in there? What's in there? Oh, what's in there? Oh, what's in there? Oh, so cute. I'm like 80% convinced. I think I want to get a cat soon. So JP has been bugging me, when are we gonna get a cat? There's always an advantage or a disadvantage if we go for the sheltered cats. That would mean that we're helping a cat to get a home, but we are always worried about the behavior of the cat because you never know if they were abused or something. But probably Jens can handle it since he's already 3, and if we get it from a breeder, they call it a Ras cat here, so it's more of an ideal situation. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to Bruna to post a letter for JP. After that, I'm going to head to Jens so I can pick him up. I hope he had a great time again today. I'm walking now, guys, to Bruna. I'll probably pass by Crowdvat to get some clay, or maybe there's a nice book that I can get for Jens. Hello, I'll take the breeze. Okay guys, I just dropped it off and now I'm on my way to Yen.